Welcome back. For those of you who are new here, yes. My name is Jasmine. I am a mom, as you can tell, and a wife just trying to figure out life. And y'all, it is Monday, and I am exhausted. It has been a very long day, so I am going to get ready to haul it a night. And hopefully tomorrow I feel more energized. It's very cold here in Chicago. Work was a lot last week. I don't know. Things are just a little funky. So hopefully I feel better tomorrow, and I will see you all then. Good night. Good morning, beautiful people, and happy Wednesday. Say hi, Chinky Mama. We literally just got done getting washed up and dressed, and I have some important calendar updates that I need to do for our internal calendar at my job. I was exhausted yesterday, which is why I did not vlog. I think I'm just in kind of like a somber and reflective mood, I guess. Really in a season of waiting for God to do something new in my life and my husband's life as well. And sometimes in those seasons, you just have to like be silent. So was very silent yesterday, but today I am up. I'm getting ready to go get my son an early dismissal. It is freezing here in Chicago, and as you all know, my husband is out of town at work, and so it is just me, myself, and I. And so coming out into freezing conditions with a baby just does not work for me at the moment. And today is one of those days where the wind chill is like in the super negative. So I'm going to pick my son up early to bring him home so that he is here. And that way this evening, if it gets cold, I don't necessarily have to go out later in the day when the sun is lower in the sky to pick him up. So I am going to try to hurry up and do these calendar invites, and then I'm going to head out to get him. So I will be back once I pick up my little one. Hey, fat mama. Hey, fat mama. Good morning, beautiful people, and happy Thursday. Our entire house overslept, and what a blessing it is because we get to take it slow today. So I am going to head to grab me and my little one some breakfast and then get some groceries from Trader Joe's. It is supposed to be like a winter storm or something coming to Chicago tomorrow with below freezing temperatures. So my son will not be at school tomorrow because it is not worth bringing out the baby and exposing her to the cold and possibly getting him sick. So I am grabbing the things that we need to kind of chill tomorrow. My husband will be coming home tomorrow as well. So that will also be a blessing. And I just want him to come home to home cooked meal and like a clean home and things like that. So that's what I'll be working on today. And then he has some very exciting news, which I hope to share with you all in my next vlog. And yeah, so I'm about to brush my teeth, throw on a hat, some thermal socks, some boots, get my kids really bundled up, and then we are heading to Trader Joe's. So I will see y'all in a second. All right, y'all, we are back from Trader Joe's, and we got all the things that we need. So we got our little mini pancakes, some pizza cheese. My mom is now gluten-free, so we got her some gluten-free cinnamon muffins. Hi. Say hi. We got veggies, fruit. I was so proud of Logan because he was able to pick out some good things. He got him some cinnamon rolls. You okay, Mama? Bless you. He got him a little salad, some strawberries. Oh, no scratching. No scratching, mama. Oh.
Pizza bread.
Yeah, your nose running, baby. I got it. Okay. We got some pizza bread. We got some of these soup dumplings. Let's put all our bread and stuff over here. We got some carrots. He asked for some carrots. I got me some candy pecans, some chicken drumsticks, plantains. Logie got him some nectarines, which probably gonna be really, really good. He got some apple cider vinegar drinks. We got some, I heard this is really good, teriyaki, beef teriyaki chicken. I can make that with some rice. He got him some popsicles, of course. I want to try this lo mein, hash browns. Keep taking that out. Here. Keep going.
Get closer.
Woo! So snowy, y'all.